Are you struggling with debt? Feeling like there's no way out? Let's start by acknowledging that debt is a common experience. It's a part of life for many of us, and it's a reality we need to face head-on. There's no shame in it, and you're definitely not alone. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, it's something that many of us are dealing with. But here's the good news. Acknowledging your debt is the first step towards financial freedom. It's like waking up to a beautiful sunrise after a long, dark night. It's an awakening, a realization, and it's your first step towards a brighter financial future. So, what does acknowledging your debt actually mean? It means understanding the total amount of your debt, the interest rates, and the monthly payments. It's about getting a clear picture of what you owe, to whom, and by when. It's about realizing that debt isn't just a number. It's a part of your life that you need to manage effectively. Think of it as taking inventory. Just like a store owner needs to know what they have on their shelves, you need to know what's in your financial portfolio. And yes, that includes your debts. Why is this so important? Because knowledge is power. Understanding your debt situation can help you make informed decisions about your financial future. It can help you figure out what steps to take next, whether that's creating a budget, talking to a financial advisor, or exploring debt relief options. Remember, acknowledging your debt isn't about feeling guilty or overwhelmed. It's about taking control. It's about saying, yes, I have debt, but I'm not going to let it define me. I'm going to tackle it head on. So let's take that first step together. Let's wake up to our debt reality. Let's not shy away from it, but face it with determination and a plan. Because the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, and that step is understanding your debt. Knowledge is power, and knowing your debt situation is the first step towards liberation. Now that you're aware of your debt, how can you manage your money better? Well, let's dive right into it. First and foremost, creating a budget is paramount. Imagine embarking on a journey without a map or GPS. You'd likely get lost, wouldn't you? The same applies to your financial journey. A budget is your financial roadmap, helping you navigate through your income and expenses. It allows you to see where your money is going, helping you make informed decisions on how to allocate it better. Remember, your budget is not a restriction, but a liberation. It's a tool that gives you control over your money, rather than allowing your money to control you. It's about understanding your financial situation and making conscious decisions. Next, let's talk about reducing unnecessary expenses. In our consumer-driven society, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of buying more than we need. But it's crucial to differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are things we can't live without, like food and shelter. Wants, on the other hand, are things we desire but can live without. Focusing on needs rather than wants can significantly reduce your expenses, freeing up more money to pay off your debt. Now let's discuss the power of saving. It might seem impossible to save when you're in debt, but even saving a small amount can make a big difference over time. Think about it. If you save just $10 a week, that's over $500 in a year. Saving helps you build a safety net, which can be a lifesaver in case of unexpected expenses. Lastly, remember that consistency is key. Sticking to your budget, reducing unnecessary expenses, and saving, even a little, are habits that need to be cultivated over time. It won't happen overnight, but with patience and perseverance, you can take control of your finances and start moving towards a debt-free life. Remember, every penny saved is a penny that can help clear your debt. So let's start making those pennies count. With a budget in place, it's time to prioritize your debts. Not all debts are created equal. Some might be a necessary part of your financial growth, while others can be a constant drain on your resources. The key is to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debts can be considered as investments that generate long-term income or increase in value. For instance, a student loan might seem overwhelming, but it's an investment in your future earning potential. On the other hand, bad debts, such as credit cards or payday loans, often have high interest rates and don't bring any return. The golden rule of debt repayment is to tackle high-interest debts first. These are usually the bad debts that are costing you the most. By focusing on these debts, you'll save money in the long run and free up more funds to pay off other debts. Now let's talk about strategies. Two popular methods are the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. The avalanche method, on the other hand, prioritizes paying off the highest interest debts first. Both strategies can be effective, but the best one for you depends on your individual circumstances and psychological needs. Paying off debts requires a strategy, and prioritizing them helps you gain control over your financial situation. Remember, it's not about eliminating all debt, it's about managing it effectively and strategically. Sometimes the debt mountain seems too high to climb alone, but remember, help is available. In our quest to tackle debt, it is essential to understand that reaching out for guidance is not an admission of defeat. Quite the contrary, it is a strategic move towards financial freedom. When it feels like you're sinking in quicksand, credit counseling agencies can be your lifeline. They're equipped with tools and resources to help you understand your financial situation better. They can help devise a plan that suits your needs, providing a roadmap to navigate the maze of debt. Alternatively, financial advisors are like your personal gym trainers, but for your finances. They can help you build financial muscle, teaching you how to lift the weight of debt off your shoulders. They can provide a personalized workout plan, tailored to your unique financial goals and capabilities. And then there are debt consolidation companies. Think of them as your financial Marie Kondo. They assist in organizing your various debts into one manageable payment, simplifying your financial landscape. This can result in lower interest rates, making your debt more manageable and less overwhelming. Seeking help can be the difference between being stuck in a cycle of debt and breaking free from it. It's not a sign of weakness, but a step towards regaining control over your financial future. So, don't shy away from seeking help. You're not alone in this journey. Escaping debt is a journey, but staying debt-free is a lifestyle. Now let's explore how to maintain this liberating lifestyle. First and foremost, maintaining good financial habits is the cornerstone of a debt-free life. This includes budgeting, saving, and investing. Let's break these down. Budgeting is about knowing where every dollar goes. It's like a financial roadmap, guiding you on what to spend, what to save, and what to invest. It's not about restricting your spending, but about making informed decisions. Next, saving. It's not just about stashing away money under your mattress. It's about setting aside a portion of your income for future use. This could be for your retirement, your child's education, or even a dream vacation. Saving gives you financial security and peace of mind. Investing, on the other hand, is about making your money work for you. It's about growing your wealth, not just preserving it. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business, investing can help you achieve financial independence. But it's not just about budgeting, saving, and investing. Building an emergency fund is equally important. This is a safety net that can cover unexpected expenses, like a car repair or medical bill. It can give you the breathing room you need without resorting to debt. Staying insured is also crucial. Insurance is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It protects you from financial disasters, whether it's a health issue, a car accident, or a natural disaster. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. And last but not least, investing for the future. This is about securing your financial future, whether it's your retirement, your child's education, or your dream home. It's about making strategic decisions today that will pay off tomorrow. Remember, escaping debt isn't an event, it's a journey, and staying debt-free is a lifestyle. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will secure your financial future. It's about living within your means, but also about growing your wealth. It's about financial freedom and peace of mind, and it's absolutely within your reach.